Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official.
Wait, don't go.
What if learning English can be slow, easy, and fun?
No stress, no fast talking, no big grammar headache.
Just simple English, one step at a time.
Stay with us because today you will listen, laugh, and learn.
And before the end of this lesson, you may understand more English than you think.
Yes, even if you are a complete beginner.
So take a deep breath.
Relax your mind. Let's begin.
Welcome back to Smart English Official.
We are very happy you are here with us today.
If you want to learn English in a simple and easy way, this channel is for you.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official, like this video, and leave a comment below.
In your comment, write something easy in English.
For example, hello, my name is Anna. I am from Brazil.
Yes, keep it simple.
And do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Today, we will do slow English listening practice.
We will speak slowly,
Clearly.
simply,
And maybe a little strangely, too.
a little strangely.
Well, you are here.
Okay, fair enough.
So get ready for easy English listening practice for beginners.
Let's start with a very simple conversation.
James, many beginners have one big problem.
Yes, native speakers talk too fast,
Very fast.
super fast.
Sometimes beginners hear English like this. Buh-buh-buh-buh-buh-buh.
Yes, it sounds like a train.
Or like a bird with too much coffee.
That is a very active bird.
So today we will not speak like that.
No fast train English.
No crazy coffee bird English.
Today is slow English day.
Slow English helps your ears.
It helps your brain.
It helps you catch small words like I, you, am, is, are.
These small words are very important. Yes, big understanding starts with small words.
Also, when you listen slowly, you feel calmer.
And when you feel calm, you learn better.
That is why today's lesson is special. It is not only about English.
It's also about confidence.
And here's something important for everyone watching.
You do not need to understand every word. No, just listen, relax, learn little by little.
Because every small step matters. A slow morning conversation.
James, let's make a simple morning conversation.
Good idea. Everyone, please listen carefully.
I will start. Good morning, Lima.
Good morning, James.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now, let's do it again more slowly.
Good morning, Lima.
Good morning, James.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you.
Perfect.
This is easy English,
Yes, very easy.
but very useful too.
You can use this in class,
At work,
on the phone.
or when you meet someone online.
James, can I ask you something?
Of course,
Why do you always sound so happy in the morning?
because I drink tea.
Only tea?
And because I am not awake enough to remember my problems.
That is one way to feel happy.
Thank you. I call it morning magic.
Now let's talk about everyday English.
These are simple sentences you can hear every day.
Listen to these. How are you?
I am okay.
What is your name?
My name is James.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Very good.
These are basic but powerful.
Yes, many real conversations begin with simple sentences.
Beginners sometimes think they need long sentences.
But that is not true.
No, first you need clear sentences.
Slow sentences.
Easy sentences.
Let's make a short dialogue.
Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Lima.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Great.
Thank you.
See, that is a real conversation.
And beginners can learn it.
Now, here comes a fun question.
Oh, I like fun questions.
What if someone asks, do you speak English? And you say, a little, but then you speak for 30 minutes.
Then your little is very big.
Exactly.
So maybe sometimes we're better than we think.
That is true. Many learners know more English than they believe,
That is why you should keep listening today.
because maybe you will surprise yourself.
Okay, everyone. Now we have a challenge for you.
Yes, listen carefully.
We will say a short conversation,
First, slowly.
then a little faster.
Your job is simple.
Try to understand it.
And if you understand it, that is wonderful.
If not, do not worry.
Just keep listening.
Ready?
Ready.
Hello, James. Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy today.
Do you want coffee?
No, thank you. I want tea.
Okay, here is your tea.
Thank you very much.
Easy, right?
Now a little faster.
Hello, James. Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy today.
Do you want coffee?
No, thank you. I want tea.
Okay, here is your tea.
Thank you very much.
Did you understand it?
Maybe yes,
Maybe a little.
maybe all of it.
And here is the exciting part.
The more you listen, the easier it becomes.
That is the secret.
Listening practice works like exercise.
At first, it feels hard,
Then one day, your ears get stronger.
like ear muscles.
Do ears have muscles?
I don't know, but today they do. Now, let's do something very helpful.
A short story.
Yes, stories are great for listening.
Because they make you curious.
You want to know what happens next.
So listen to this simple story.
One day, James goes to a small cafe.
I like this story already.
He sits down and looks at the menu.
Good.
He wants tea and bread.
Very normal.
But then he sees something strange.
Strange?
Yes, very strange. What is it? On the menu, it says, Happy Banana Soup.
What?
Happy Banana Soup.
Why is the banana happy?
Maybe because nobody ate it.
That is a happy day for the banana.
James asks the waiter, What is Happy Banana Soup?
Good question.
The waiter smiles and says, It is our special soup.
Oh, no.
James says, Is it sweet?
Important question.
The waiter says, A little.
Is it hot?
Yes.
Is it good?
The waiter says, Maybe.
Maybe. That is not a strong answer.
James looks at the soup.
Slowly,
Very slowly.
like this lesson.
Yes. He smells the soup.
Carefully.
Then he takes one small spoon.
And?
And then
Yes.
he says, This is not bad.
Not bad.
Yes.
So the soup is okay?
Yes. But then the waiter says, That is tomato soup.
Wait, what happened to the banana soup?
James says, Where is the banana soup?
Yes, where is it?
The waiter says, Oh, sorry, that is for dogs.
What kind of cafe is this?
A very interesting one.
I never want to go there.
Really?
Okay, maybe once.
Now let's check your listening.
Don't worry, this is easy.
In the story, where did James go?
He went to a cafe.
Very good. What did he want?
He wanted tea and bread.
Excellent. What strange thing did he see?
Happy banana soup.
Yes. And was it really banana soup?
No, it was tomato soup.
Correct. So you see,
You can understand English stories,
little by little.
one sentence at a time.
This is why slow listening practice is powerful.
You are not only hearing words
You are building understanding
and confidence.
and maybe also a fear of strange soup.
Very true.
James, let's help our viewers with some easy listening tips.
Good idea.
Tip number 1, listen every day.
even for 5 minutes.
Small practice is better than no practice.
Tip number 2, listen to easy English first,
Not fast English.
not difficult English.
Start easy, grow slowly.
Tip number 3, repeat what you hear.
Yes, listening and speaking together is very powerful.
Tip number 4, do not stop because of one new word.
Keep going.
Try to understand the general meaning.
Tip number 5, listen again.
The second time is easier.
The third time is even easier.
The fourth time?
Then you become the teacher.
Very nice.
These tips are simple, but they work.
Learning English does not always need complicated methods.
It needs practice
Patience?
and a little fun. Now, dear viewers, it is your turn.
Yes. Speak with us slowly.
Repeat after me. Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is.
Now say your name.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from.
Now say your country.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job.
Really? Great job.
If you repeated those lines, you are already practicing real English.
And that's something to feel good about.
Before we finish, we want to say something important.
Yes, if English feels hard sometimes, that is okay.
If listening feels difficult, that is okay too.
Learning takes time.
Slow progress is still progress.
One more time for the people in the back.
Slow progress is still progress.
You do not need to be fast.
You do not need to be perfect.
You only need to continue.
One video,
One lesson,
one sentence,
one word.
and one day you will understand more and more.
Then you will smile and say,
Wow, English is not impossible.
exactly,
It is possible,
very possible,
especially when you learn step by step.
and laugh a little on the way.
Yes, never forget the happy banana soup.
I will never forget it.
So, friends, this was Slow English Learning, easy listening practice for beginners.
We hope this lesson helped you feel calm, happy, and more confident in English.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Smart English Official.
Don't forget to like this video so we can make more easy English lessons for you.
And please leave a comment in simple English below.
You can write, "Hello, my name is blank. I am from blank. I am learning English."
Yes, we would love to read your comment.
Also, share this video with a friend who wants to learn English slowly and easily.
Keep listening every day.
Keep speaking without fear.
Keep learning step by step.
And remember,
Slow English can lead to strong English.
see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye.
Keep learning with Smart English Official.